Because you're tall and I'm not, maybe scoot down. There we go. So how have you been?
Not too bad. Same old, just pretty same old stuff. Sometimes I get the stomach, that stuff sometimes. So that area sometimes bugs me.
Easiest way to stop problems with your stomach is to stop putting stuff in your stomach.
That would be.
Eventually, you'll never have any problems at all.
Exactly. They'll go away.
Get about 30 days and you'll be good to go. All right, you have a left occiput. Which also you drive a truck, so you probably spend a lot of time leaning one way or another.
All day.
All right, so I'm going to go right here. Just relax into my hand. Yes, sir. In my hand. Around over here. It's ready to go. Yes. A couple out of that one. So I got a C2 right there. It could be residual from the occiput. I'm just going to double check. That's just residual. Face down when you're ready, sir. How's the weather? Because you run to Utah, right?
Not all the time, but just mostly the mountains, so...
Okay. I'm going to touch your waist, all right?
You're good.
You can post on your social media then.
Snowy all the time. Every day.
I'm going to press down L5. Other than pressures, is that painful?
No.
A little bit of pain or just...
I can just I can feel it, but not anything bad.
Deep breath. Let it all out. One more time. Deep breath. All right, so I need to do your right hip and then this one right here. I'm going to do this first. I'm going to have you go on your side and face me.
Okay.
It's in a weird transition point. I can press down on it all day and it'll go anywhere.
That's that weird spot.
Yeah. It goes all the way forward. It's part of your stomach issues. Just relax. That was easy. There we go. Go ahead, side for me. Scoot to the edge. Bottom leg straight.
You didn't drop hers, so I trust you.
All right. One for lack of trying. Nice. Showing up on it. There we go.
Wow.